Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share this simple yet glam makeup look perfect for Diwali or the upcoming wedding season. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Alright, starting with some skin prep, I'm using the Aqualogica dewy sunscreen. This goes really well under makeup. ये आपके स्किन पे बहुत अच्छा एक ग्लो दे देता है एंड आपका फाउंडेशन भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से ब्लेंड हो जाता है. So I have been absolutely loving this sunscreen. And for primer, I'm using this Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Setting Spray. I'm using this for the first time, so I can't really tell a lot about this product. But as you can see, मैंने गलती से बहुत ज़्यादा ही निकाल लिया था. Then धीरे धीरे करके मैंने उसको टैप करते करते blend किया. This gave my skin little bit of a tacky finish and अच्छा एक hydrating glow भी दे दिया था मेरे skin पे. And then थोड़ा सा lips hydrate करने के लिए मैंने एक lip oil use किया. I'm going on for a dewy base, so I'm mixing 2 foundations and 1 strobing cream. Of course, you don't have to mix 2 foundations. I have a tendency of buying wrong foundation shades, so I always end up mixing 2 foundations to make my own foundation shade. आपको 2 फाउंडेशन लगाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस एक फाउंडेशन और उसके साथ एक स्ट्रोबिंग क्रीम मिक्स कर लो. इट गिव्स सच अ डूई बेस और आपका फाउंडेशन बहुत ज़्यादा केकी नहीं लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा नेचुरल फिनिश दे देता है, विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव. Then I'm using a lighter shade of concealer and using it on my under eyes and on the centers of my skin. This looks really bright and gives a definition to your face. So special occasions पे ये बहुत अच्छा दिखता है because you tend to take a lot of photographs during this time and it looks really nice. Then to lock everything in, I'm using a loose powder. I use it just on my under eyes because I don't feel the need of, applying a powder all over my skin. But of course, if you have oily skin, definitely set your whole face. Then for eyes, I'm using this huge eyeshadow palette. And now you are about to see the most easiest eye look ever. So for that I'm using this warm brown shade and in a circular motion I'm taking a fluffy brush and in a circular motion I'm applying it on my inner and outer corner, and then whatever will be left on the brush I'm going to swipe it all across my lids, and this is the transition shade. Then I'm going to take this shade and leaving the centers empty, I'm going to repeat the same steps. I was feeling this shade that day. Of course, you can use whichever shade goes with your outfit. You just have to follow the techniques that I'm showing you here and it's going to be really easy. Also, don't worry about the blending. We are going to take care about that in a bit. Now take a big clean fluffy brush and just blend everything in together. Also just go back and forth with the shades and just adjust it according to your liking कि आपको कितना pigmented चाहिए the shades. Then I'm going to take the tiniest amount of black shade to add more dimension to my eyes and depth to my eyes, and of course going to blend everything in. Then take the tiniest amount of concealer, just dab it in the centers of your lids. ये क्या करेगा, आपके lids को थोड़ा सा tacky बना देगा for the upcoming shimmer या फिर glitter that you are going to use on the centers of your lids. Now I'm going to take this purple shimmer shade and अपने fingers के help से ही I'm going to apply it just on the centers of my lids. Do not apply it all over the lid, नहीं तो वो halo effect नहीं आएगा. Just on the centers, especially on the area where you have applied the concealer. I'm going to take the same thing on my lower lash line as well. And then I wanted to define my natural eye shape, तो थोड़ा सा काजल को लेके मैंने smudge कर लिया. That's it, no eyeliner or anything. To elevate the halo eye look even more, I'm taking this golden glitter shade and just tapping it on the centers of my lid, just the tiniest bit of it, and then उसको लेके blend भी कर लेना अच्छे से. And that's it, finishing the eye makeup with curling my lashes and applying loads and loads of mascara. If you want, you can use falsies as well. For the rest of the face, I'm using this newly launched product from Blue Heaven. It's their Stack and Slay palette. This has got a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter. The bronzer is a perfect warm brown shade, so I really like the shade of the bronzer especially. The products did not lift up my foundation, which was a great thing, and I can see myself wearing this during the winter season, especially because I love using cream products during the winter season. The blush is a beautiful coral pink kind of a shade that will again complement a lot of Indian skin tones, especially dusky skin tones. And the highlighter is a rose gold shade. It gives a glow from within kind of a look and looks very beautiful, I would say. I can see myself wearing this during the winter season, and I would highly recommend you guys to check this out. And lastly, finishing off the makeup with one of my most favorite lip combos at the moment. It's from Swiss Beauty in the shade Purple 11, I believe. All the shades will be listed in the description, so zarur check kar lena. And for lipstick, I'm using Simply Nam in the shade Puneeta. It's a gorgeous pink shade, especially हमारे Indian skin tones पे pink उतना सुंदर नहीं दिखता है, but this looks stunning. I love this. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. मेरा भी दिवाली बन जाएगा. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.